Good afternoon. I hope you're having a fabulous day. If you're watching and you want to let me know, go ahead and hit a thumbs up or a like, say hi, do something in the comments, let me know you're watching. Today I'm back out at the creek. I am excited because it's been a while now. It's been a while since I've been on the creek. It's been a while since I captured these little panfish. And so looking forward to standing in the creek and see what all I can catch. Stay tuned. Oh, I saw a fish swipe at that. And he goes for it again. And he's on there this time. Man, it feels good to be catching fish again. All right, let's see here. Hopefully you got a good angle at him. I've been keeping the camera down too low. So about that, my buddy Chris is watching, trying to get a better angle for you there. Beautiful little long ear. Oh, as soon as I hits the water. See a little gate right there. Not sure what's going on over there. Oh. There's a bunch of fish right in there in that little shadow. As soon as my bait hits the water, they're going after it. Just using a little trout magnet. Good little hit. Let's try again. There we go. Water is really down. I see a bunch of fish running around. Try to go in this little shaded area here, see if we can catch some fish. See a lot of racket commotion on the other side over there. Nice. Little guy. A small guy. It's really shallow through here. Not sure what all I'll catch, but feels good to be standing in the creek fishing again. Last couple times I've been out, I've just been out on my new John boat out on the lake, and it's been super stressful getting that boat launched and in the water and trying to find a fishing spot. The lake that I'm fishing is really shallow, and so just still trying to find my way around. Thought I'd take it easy today and just come out to the creek where I know I can catch some fish. I say that, but this water is really shallow. Probably no more than just a little bit above my ankles. We'll walk up there a little bit. All right, I'm gonna take out the trout magnet and switch to the honey worm. Being that the water is so shallow, this lure falls really fast, and the honey worm falls a little bit slower, and so I'm gonna switch to it. If you haven't seen my other videos, this is what the honey worm looks like. If you're new to the channel, I did fish this creek a few weeks back and caught a bunch of little bluegills and sunfish using a honeyworm. Ended the video catching a bunch of bass, and so if you're new to the channel, check that out. I'll provide a link to it at the end. If you like what you're seeing so far, please remember to subscribe. Don't be afraid to hit that like button. All right, let's see what the honeyworm does. Boom. Oh man, that was first cast. gonna set up from a different point of view so you see what I'm working with. Had a bite there. What I'm doing is I'm throwing this honey worm with this 1/80th ounce jig as close to the bank as I can, because I think that's where the fish are posted up at. There we go. That's what we're catching. Another little smallmouth. Then he hit that right in front of me. I saw him swimming around. I didn't think he'd go for my bait though, since it was so close to me. A little bit bigger. Kept on hitting at it, but you couldn't get him hooked. All right, let's go downstream, fish a little bit before we have to get home. Just got these real small fish going after it. See if we can get a big one on there. Really wish I brought some bug spray. Didn't fish the Hellgrammite too long. This water is just way too shallow, and I think it's too big for these smaller fish. So I'm gonna go back to the Keitch 2-inch swim bait. This power worm is looking rough. It's caught many fish. Let's see if it can continue to catch a few more before we have to go home. Finally. Little bitty old guy. Stop, stop. Birdman Bassin is one of my new recent subscribers. I hope you're watching, man. Getting a ton of engagement from you, and I appreciate it. And this type of fishing is why I started this channel was really just catching a bunch of fish in the creek and catching a bunch of these little guys. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, little green sunfish. All right, I dedicate this little fish to Ed outside. Ed's been also very engaged in my channel, and I appreciate it. Oh. Hang on, I'll get you out, buddy. I'm gonna go ahead and close out today's session. Fishing was a little slow in some areas, but it's how it is sometimes, but at least we were able to catch some fish today. So if you're new to the channel, again, thank you. You came back to watch. I appreciate you. I hope you all have a great day. Till next time.